Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline in the long wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the solid paint colour pure grey, and the van features a front colour coordinated bumper complete with a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Across all four wheels we will find the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels in a silver colour, and there is a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, the van comes with the rear loading barn doors, and dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There are some LED interior lights for illumination, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there is a step on the side allowing easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the cab there is a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this there is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. The seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and in forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash there is a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, as well as further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. And the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.